the bananas! This is Apewar. You play as a bloodthirsty ape wielding a plethora of weapons at their disposal. Your goal? To kill as many apes as you can to get the almighty banana, I guess. I don't really. All this for $1 singular, by the way. Sorry, what are we waiting for? Let's get to it. Let's have a closer look at this. Apewar is an online tactical and action FPS monkey war game adapted from real life. What?
Jack,
Yes.
don't buy it. Check your Steam gifts.
Oh no.
I bought you Monkey Apple.
What? Thank
What?
you.
That's why he's the GOAT!
What was Apewar?
Apple.
Apewar is the greatest game ever made. Look at those monkeys in the background. They're just busting it
Oh,
down.
it's only team deathmatch. So someone's gonna be on a team by themselves.
Oh shit.
Kahama and Kasakala.
No, I know that from the Apewar history books.
The Great Ape War.
Yeah, yeah.
So
What
we're
the
starting.
fuck is this shit? Ooh, goddamn! Oh, yes.
Aim in, bro. You aim above your head.
Oh, yeah, true.
Oh, when you jump.
Oh, jump!
Oh my god, the little noises!
Who's in a car?
Ah!
I'm just running with my little monkey feet.
I'm getting ganged up, bro.
Oh, you are so dog shit, bro. Clearly doesn't play Apewar, this guy.
Okay, I think I know.
Look at your hands are just so fucked.
Get him, Jack!
I love you stuff, baby.
Oh my god!
Oh. I'm out of ammo. What do I do now?
You die.
You die! Jack, get in a car. Get in a separate one.
Damn it!
Wait, we can just spawn camp him.
Nah, you get spawn protection.
Man, fuck that car, bro.
Jack, look what's in my hands.
Oh my, full cannon.
Wait, look.
How did you do that?
Scroll.
Oh,
my god.
It looks so
The cannon's
good.
so good,
Oh.
bro. What is this? Come here, I'm a shanky bitch.
Oh,
I'm a
fuck.
shank. Ah, come here,
Oh.
with these ends,
yeah, I can't even get near you. Come here, little bitch.
bro. Come here, you're dead. Yeah, shit.
Oh, wait, we
what?
killed each other. You little bitch. For the bananas.
Yeah.
Wait, you guys still in that game?
Yeah.
Oh, I got kicked out.
Yes!
How'd you get me? I was so far away.
Yes! Monkey,
That's it.
come
Time to try.
And I got kicked out again. What the fuck?
on, get nut.
Oh, wait, what?
Give me. Here, Debbie, give me. Fuck
Oh.
off. You bitch ass monkey. Wait, before you do it, hear me out.
Yeah.
Just hear me out. What the fuck?
Good. Change role. Wait, there's different classes?
Yeah.
Wait, kill me. Thank you.
Oh, there's a sniper?
Yo, yeah.
This $1.20 is now really worth
Yeah,
it.
he's telling Jody he's just up to ante.
F. Oh, yeah.
Snapping's hard. Oh shit, Jack.
I highly doubt there's other people playing this game.
I saw a
But,
server called Epstein's Island. Sup, monkeys?
Another engineer.
I got RPG.
Double kill. Triple kill.
Monkey on the hill.
What's this guy's name? Gay something.
Hey, Michael. My god, bananas.
Oh
People
my
go
god,
crazy.
the shotgun is so loud.
Oh. Yo, monkey boy. Oh. Long shot, watch this. And I died immediately. Yes. Monkey headshot.
I just
died.
ah! Ah.
What?
Alright, I think that's enough apples for me.
Ape.
I love this lobby music.
It is so good.
I like seeing in my games just Apewar, just some monkey with an AK staring at me.